y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashanti if this is your first time here. And y'all, today we're going to be apartment hunting. I'm currently waiting for an appointment that I have at a complex that I'm about to go tour, so I figured I would go ahead and knock out my intro while I'm waiting, and then I'll go ahead and tell y'all like some of the factors that are playing into like where I end up choosing, and then I'll tell y'all like the questions, like the list of questions that I have to ask like the leasing consultants whenever I am going to view these apartments. So one thing that's playing a factor is location, because I do have a bit of a commute to work, so I do want to live somewhere that would kind of shorten my commute a little bit, or at least keep it like the same length time wise. So that's a thing. And then of course price, because y'all, I'm not paying an arm and a leg for rent, and let me tell y'all why. Luxury leasing, that is literally an oxymoron to me. Anything that I'm gonna have that's luxury, I'm gonna own. So I'm not paying a whole lot of money to live somewhere that I can't even call mine. So I'm not paying a whole lot of money on rent. If I pay X amount of dollars, it's gonna be for a house or something that at the end of the day my name is gonna be on, not something that at 12 months, 9, 12, however many months, I'm gonna be up out of here. So that's a thing. Yeah, that just don't make sense to me. But I mean, apartments here where I am are pretty cheap. So I mean, they can get expensive depending on like where you go to, but I stuck with what I know I'm willing to pay for an apartment, because there are some apartments that you might as well just be paying for a house at the amount like of money that you're paying. So there's that. And then I guess those are really like the two main factors for, of course, what I'm choosing. And then like how the floor plans are for like how the apartments are laid out. And some of the questions that I will be asking like as I'm touring these apartments are the utilities included in the rent? That way I know if I need to, like if I'm gonna have to, you know, like add that on to my monthly budget. If they have washing and drying machines in the apartments, or if I'm gonna need to like buy my own. So I guess like if they have washing and dryer connections. How they handle emergency like maintenance things. So like if a pipe bursts at like 3 in the morning, is somebody coming, or my apartment gonna be flooded until they come in the next morning? The last two things are if renter's insurance is required, which I probably will get that anyways, just because renter's insurance is pretty cheap, but I feel like it would be better to have it than not. And then ask about like the security deposit amounts and what would prevent me from getting it refunded back to me. So that's that. I'm not really worried about if they allow you to like paint and put stuff on the walls, because I pretty much know what I'm putting in regardless of which apartment I end up at. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go inside, so I guess I will show y'all the apartments. I'm gonna just like insert clips of like all the different apartments that I toured back to back, and then I'll probably just come back at the end and close everything out. The next video that will probably be done in regards to like my moving vlogs will more than likely be an empty apartment tour. Of course, I'm just doing the tours now so I can like kind of help myself narrow down and make a choice. So I guess my next vlog will be like me revealing to y'all which apartment I chose, and just a more thorough walkthrough before I go ahead and put furniture and everything in. So Okay, also real quick, I just wanted to check in because I had 2 more apartments that I was supposed to go look at today, but I just went ahead and called and canceled the appointments because these apartments are like way on the other side of town, so they're not even close to the location that I was wanting them to be. And also I already picked out of the 2 that I looked at last week. So out of the 2 that I looked at, they were literally like right next to each other, so location wasn't really like a deciding factor. But the price was because one was like 150 above what I was looking to pay, and then the other was 100 below. And I kind of like built a good rapport with the leasing consultant, or the manager. She wasn't the consultant, she was the manager. So I actually built a good rapport with the manager after talking to her, and she was like able to cut me a really good deal. So I went ahead and picked, I went and did my application already. So I'm in the process of packing and getting ready to move. So I guess the next moving vlog will be, I'm gonna bring y'all with me to go pick up my keys, and then of course the empty apartment tour. I'm not sure if I want to like include unpacking and like setting stuff up, because I don't know, would that be boring? But yes, so this video actually ended up being much shorter than I expected it to be, because like I said, I went ahead and canceled the other 2 appointments because it just would have been a waste of time and gas. So again, thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.